Many times during the course of these lessons, you're going to see me do this. Make a dressmaker's knot. Let's see how that's done. To make this more visible, I'm going to show you with yarn. First, take the tail and lay it across your index finger. Secure it lightly with your thumb and wrap it around one time. Push up the tail up over the yarn with your thumb and under with the index finger, and there you have the knot. Let's try it with a double piece of yarn as if it's going through a needle. Take the two ends, wrap the yarn around, up with the thumb, and pull under with the index finger, and there is your knot. With a little bit of practice, this will become second nature. If you liked this video, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and spread the word.